First, we define two strings, string 1 and string 2. String 1 is assigned the value hello and string 2 is assigned the value word. String 1, hello, string 2, world. Next, we concatenate these two strings with a space in between. We use the plus operator to concatenate string. Concatenate string 1 plus string 2. Here we adding string 1 a space and string 2 together to create a new string. Concatenate string. Finally, we string the concatenate string to the console Python. When concatenated string, the script will combine hello as space and world to form the string hello word. Then it will print this string to the console. The output of this script will be plain text, hello world.